Good day everyone, I am Shane Krebs and with Ma'am Labdin S. Mendoza and Sir Arnold de los Reyes, we're here to present our study, Utilization of Mobile Application Development Program or MAD program in the Learning Enhancement of Students in New Normal. In Bukal National Integrated School, grade 7 to 12 students with a total number of 403 who lived in Marugunton are the only students who are allowed to participate in limited face-to-face modality last April 2002. Hence, the challenge on motivating and giving intervention to those struggling learners at the home remains. According to the study of Menon 2002 about the uses and gratification of educational apps studied during COVID-19 pandemic finds that the intention to utilize educational applications was significantly predicted by academic support, convenience, and social influence. That's why the researchers conducted the MAD program that aims to contribute in finding a solution in changing the process of learning and in uplifting the motivation among students who needed intervention in more innovative and entertaining method. Moreover, this study will contribute to additional technical skills for teachers in crafting intervention materials through developing mobile gaming application. Furthermore, this will also capacitate the teachers for the enhancement they need in using ICT to facilitate the teaching and learning process as indicated on the Philippine Professional Standard for Teachers or PPST Strand 1. Our action research questions are as follows. What is the profile of the respondents in terms of year level and subject area taught? Number 2, what is the level of satisfaction of the respondents towards the training program in terms of usefulness, instruction and methodology, and human and material resources? 3, what is the score average of the participating learners before and after MAD program? And last, is there a significant difference between the score average of the participating learners before and after MAD program? Participants or other resource of data information. This study has a total of 21 respondents who are junior and senior high school teachers of Bukal National Integrated School, school year 2021-2022, who were selected using a purposive sampling. Procedure. Pre-implementation survey form was conducted among teachers to identify their willingness to be part of the program. Additionally, the researchers proposed and conducted training programs. After conducting training program, post-interview and survey was administered among the respondents. The individual learning monitoring plan and electronic class record of the learners were utilized during the data gathering procedure. Data analysis plan. This study used quantitative and qualitative research method. The data to be collected from the survey were interpreted using appropriate statistical treatment. A mean average were used to identify the level of satisfaction towards the training program of the teacher participants. Frequency and percentage were used to identify the average test score of the students before and after utilization of MAD program. T-test was used in order to identify if there would be significant difference between an average score before and after the program was implemented. Results and discussion. Level of satisfaction towards the training program in terms of usefulness, instruction and methodology, and human and material resources. All data resulted to a grand-weighted mean with a verbal interpretation of strongly agree. Test score of the learners before the conduct of MAD program. Most of the teacher participants agreed that the test score result of their learners fall between the ranges of 4 and 6 before using the app. While the test score result of the learners after the conduct of MAD program, majority of the participants answered that most of their learners' test scores after the utilization of MAD program falls under the score 9 to 10. Test of relationship between the test score of students before and after using the app. There is a statistically significant difference between the intervention scores of the learner before and after using the MAD program. Recommendation. Based from the result of the study after the data had been interpreted and analyzed, the researchers came up with the following recommendations. First, increase the variety of intervention materials so that students can select the interventions that are most appropriate for them. Second, encourage more teachers to study and explore new technology-based teaching methods because this increases student interest. Lastly, the school administration must support and cater the needs of the teachers in enhancing their skills in using technology-based instructions by engaging them to different trainings and seminars on the use of different mobile application in designing lessons and intervention.